Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to basically make a mini image editor right in the terminal itself using a open source package which is Imagemagick. So you can download this open source library guys by going to this website imagemagick.org, and they offer the CLI tool here. You will see for Windows, Linux, Mac, each operating system. It's a cross-platform open source image processing library. I've already downloaded this, and once you download this inside your terminal, you can actually edit any sort of image. So I'm taking this example here of the image 1.jpg. So I will apply some effects to this image. So the first command here, we simply type here magic followed by the name of the file, which is 1.jpg, and then we apply the effects. So it also have this grayscale effect. So you can see we can pass this effect dash grayscale, and then we simply need to write here rec 709 luminous LUMINANCE, and then the output file name. So it will be changed to black and white if you see. So it has basically created this image. It's black and white if you see. This was the original image and it has been changed to black and white. The next set of filter you can apply guys, which is this one. So we simply write magic1.jpg, and then it also have this filter which is sepia tone, and then you can apply how much tone you want to apply. I will say 80%, and you will see this will be the effect. So from this library you can create these awesome effects right in the terminal itself. You will see that it actually apply this effect, sepia effect. Then we have another one which will be this one. Let me show you. Negate, negate, negate. So this is also a very cool little effect you can create here. You can see that. And then if you want to blur your image, you can pass this blur flag dash blur, and here you can specify the dimensions of the blur with 0.8. So it will blur out your image very easily. So you can see that. So you can actually increase the blur here by specifying this. You can just change it 0. You can modify this command. So then last but not least, we can increase or decrease the brightness of the image by specifying brightness flag, brightness contrast. We can specify this 10, 20, and then you can see that. So you can adjust the brightness contrast level of the image. You can see it has now increased the brightness of the image right here. So it's a very good image processing library guys. You can install it and just build a mini image editor like Photoshop or Canva inside your terminal. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.